Dream big, financial freedom awaits. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life where money is no longer a constant worry? That's what financial freedom is all about. It's about having the means to live the life you want without being held back by financial constraints. Financial freedom is within your reach. It doesn't happen overnight, but with a solid plan and the right mindset, you can achieve it. This essay will guide you on how to save and invest wisely. Get ready to take control of your finances and create a brighter future. Map your route. The power of financial goals. Setting financial goals is like having a map for your financial journey. Imagine setting off on a journey without a destination in mind. You'd be wandering aimlessly, unsure of where to go or what to do next. You wouldn't get very far, would you? The same applies to your finances. The same goes for your financial journey. Without clear goals, you might find yourself lost and frustrated. You need a clear roadmap to guide your way. This roadmap is made up of your financial goals. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound financial goals is the first step. These SMART goals provide clarity and direction. Start by defining what financial freedom means to you. Is it being debt-free? Is it retiring early? Or perhaps it's something else entirely? Or maybe it's starting your own business? Identifying your ultimate goal is crucial. Once you have a clear vision, break it down into smaller, more manageable goals. This makes the larger goals seem less overwhelming. For example, if your goal is to buy a house in 5 years, determine how much of a down payment you'll need. Research the market and set a realistic target. Then, calculate how much you need to save each month to reach that goal. Consistent saving is key to achieving your financial milestones. Having specific goals makes your financial aspirations seem less daunting. It breaks down the journey into achievable steps, and it gives you something concrete to work towards. Celebrate each milestone and stay motivated on your path to financial success. Safety net first. Building your emergency fund is crucial for financial stability. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected events can happen at any time. Your car might break down, you could face unexpected medical bills, or you might even lose your job. These situations can be financially draining. An emergency fund is your financial safety net for these unforeseen events. It acts as a buffer to protect you. It gives you peace of mind and prevents you from derailing your financial progress. Knowing you have a cushion can reduce stress. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This ensures you can cover your needs. This money is not for vacations or impulse purchases, it's strictly for emergencies. It's there to cover essential expenses when you need it most, like rent, utilities, and groceries. Start by saving a small amount each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. Consistency is key. As you get into the habit of saving, gradually increase the amount. Over time, your fund will grow. You can also explore high-yield savings accounts or money market accounts to earn a little extra interest on your savings. This can help your fund grow faster. Time is money, the magic of compound interest. This principle is one of the most powerful concepts in finance. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small but gains momentum. As it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger and larger. This is similar to how compound interest accumulates. Compound interest works the same way. It builds upon itself over time. It's the interest you earn on your initial investment plus any accumulated interest. This means your money grows faster. In simpler terms, it's interest earning interest. This compounding effect can significantly boost your savings. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Time is a crucial factor. Let's say you invest $1,000 today at a 7% annual return. This small step can lead to big results. After 30 years, your investment would grow to almost $8,000, even without adding any more money. This is the power of compounding. That's the magic of compound interest. It can turn small investments into substantial wealth. Don't let the fear of not having enough money stop you from starting. Every little bit counts. Even small, consistent investments can add up to significant wealth over time. Consistency is key. Remember, the key is to start early and let compound interest work its magic. The sooner you begin, the greater the benefits. Section 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This holds true for investing as well. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves spreading your investments across different asset classes. These include stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Think of it like this. If one investment performs poorly, the others can help cushion the blow. It's about not putting all your financial hopes into a single investment. A well-diversified portfolio helps to reduce risk and enhance potential returns. There are various ways to diversify your investments. You can invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds or ETFs that hold a basket of different assets. You can also consider investing in different sectors and industries. Section 6. Automate your way to wealth, make saving effortless. We all have good intentions when it comes to saving, but life gets busy and it's easy to let our savings goals slip. That's where automation comes in. Automating your savings and investments takes the willpower out of the equation. It ensures that you're consistently working towards your financial goals, even when you're not actively thinking about it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This could be done right after you receive your paycheck. Treat your savings and investments like non-negotiable expenses. Many banks and financial institutions offer automatic investment plans. These plans allow you to invest a fixed amount regularly. By automating your finances, you'll be amazed at how quickly your savings and investments will grow. Section 7. The power of patience. Long-term investing wins. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about patiently growing your wealth over the long term. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, with ups and downs that can be nerve-wracking. However, over the long term, the stock market has historically trended upwards. Don't panic and sell your investments when the market takes a dip. Instead, stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and discipline are key to riding out market fluctuations and achieving financial freedom. Continue investing regularly, even during market downturns. This allows you to buy more shares when prices are lower. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, can help reduce the overall cost of investing and potentially enhance your returns over time. Section 8. Steer clear of these traps. Common financial mistakes. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make financial mistakes that can hinder your progress. One common mistake is not starting to save and invest early enough. As we've discussed, time is your greatest asset when it comes to compound interest. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Another mistake is taking on too much debt, especially high-interest credit card debt. Debt can quickly snowball out of control, eating into your income and derailing your financial goals. Aim to pay off your credit card balances in full each month to avoid accruing interest charges. Finally, avoid making impulsive financial decisions based on emotions or hearsay. Do your research, seek professional advice when needed, and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Section 9. You've got this. Resources for financial success. You don't have to navigate the world of finance alone. There are numerous resources available to help you make smart financial decisions. Start with your local library or bookstore, where you can find a wealth of information on personal finance. There are also countless websites, podcasts, and apps dedicated to financial literacy. Reputable sources like Investopedia, NerdWallet, and The Motley Fool offer a wealth of free information and tools. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a financial advisor. A qualified advisor can help you create a personalized financial plan, choose the right investments, and navigate complex financial situations. Remember, knowledge is power. Arm yourself with the right information and resources to make informed financial decisions. Section 10. Taking charge. Your journey to financial freedom begins today. Congratulations on taking the first step towards achieving financial freedom. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but with determination and perseverance, you can overcome them and reach your financial goals. Start by taking small, actionable steps today. Create a budget, track your expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back. Set up automatic savings and investment plans. Educate yourself on personal finance basics. The most important thing is to start now. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you have more money. The sooner you begin, the closer you'll be to achieving your financial dreams. Section 11. A legacy of wealth. Passing on financial wisdom. Achieving financial freedom is not just about securing your own future. It's also about creating a legacy of financial well-being for future generations. As you gain financial knowledge and experience, share it with your loved ones. Teach your children about the importance of saving, budgeting, and investing. Help them develop healthy financial habits from a young age. By empowering future generations with financial literacy, you're not only securing their financial well-being but also contributing to a more financially secure society as a whole. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about making conscious choices today to create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Start your journey today and embrace the possibilities that financial freedom brings.